Pura, guys. This is the song, Immune System. I want to give a special shout out. I want to give a special shout out to the producer. The producer is Aurelian Falconet. He produced this song alone. He played the whole instrument in this song. So this song was released in 2023 with Bentley Records. It's the label. I work with them since 3 years, I think. They found me in internet. They found me in Instagram. Yeah. This moment is very special for me. That's why I want to share this with you. Big up. Greetings from Polmighty, Paul Silva, aka Polmighty. I am a Cabo Verdean musician. I'm living or I'm based in Berlin since 2020. Yeah, this is the dedication of my work. Like you see, we got the place 51 in top 100 chart, all categories in Canada. Since about 3 months, I'm waiting for this plaque, and today I'm very happy to share this with you guys. Please continue to support me, because your support is very important for us musicians. That's why we do this. We do this for us and for you. Immune System. Yes, Aurelian Falconet, big up. This is our tune, Immune System, and we achieved the place 51. For me, it's very important. It's a dedication of my work, but I know there are a lot of musicians in the world that they are very known, but this is a small step, and with a small step we can reach a big thing. Yeah. Yes, I, Paul Silva, Polmighty. Yeah, keep tuned. Support me in YouTube, Paul Silva, Polmighty, or in iTunes, Apple Music, or Spotify. Everywhere you can listen to my song. Thank you very much. Yes, sir. Big up. Yes.